Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Premiere Pro for H.264 versus HEVC export workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Navigate to the timeline where your sequence resides. Select the sequence you wish to export. Go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, choose Export and then select Media. For HEVC, select HEVC from the Format drop-down. Set your desired preset for H.264, commonly high bitrate. For HEVC, you might want to select HEVC HDR10 if applicable. Adjust the output name and location by clicking on the blue text next to output name. Now, under the Video tab, ensure the resolution matches your sequence settings. Set the frame rate according to your sequence, typically 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. For H.264, check the bitrate settings. Choose a bitrate encoding method, like VBR, to pass for higher quality. Adjust the target and maximum bitrate based on your quality needs. For HEVC, similarly configure the bitrate settings. Remember that HEVC often has lower file sizes, so adjust accordingly. Next, navigate to the Audio tab. Ensure that the audio codec is set to a suitable format, typically AAC. Adjust the sample rate, bitrate, and channels according to your project requirements. After configuring both video and audio tabs, check the Use Previews option if needed. If exporting for web use, enable the Render at Maximum Depth for better color depth. Make sure Export Audio and Export Video are both checked. Click on the Q button to send the export to Adobe Media Encoder for batch processing. Alternatively, click Export to start the process directly in Premiere Pro. Monitor the progress bar as Premiere Pro processes your export. Once completed, navigate to the designated output folder to find your exported file. Now you have successfully set up Premiere Pro for both H.264 and HEVC export workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.